Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. My name is Sofia Fiti Fionita. I'm 26 years old. I was from Cirebon, 23 September 1998. I'm come from Cirebon, West Java of Indonesia. I'm Muslim. I'm single. My last education senior high school. My weight 64 kg. My height 148 cm. I have experience job in Singapore 2 years. From 2022 until 2024, my job is cleaning the house, cooking, washing the food, ironing, and take care of children. I can cook Indonesian food, for example, fried egg, fried chicken, fried rice, and chicken soup. I cannot cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn. I can handle pork, but I cannot eat pork because I'm Muslim. I can take care of baby, children, and elderly. I can wash the car. I can wash the food by hand. I go to Hong Kong to work and money to help my family and my future. My contract in Hong Kong 2 years. I'm promised to be hard work, to be honest, obedient to my employer. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Sofia Fiti Fionita, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old, ma'am.
Where do you come from?
I'm come from Cirebon, West Java of Indonesia, ma'am.
Are you married?
No, ma'am, I'm single.
What job your father and mother?
My father's job is sailor, ma'am.
Do you have experience work before?
Yes, ma'am. In Singapore 2 years, ma'am.
What is your religion?
My religion is Muslim, ma'am.
Why do you want to go to work in Singapore?
Because I want in more money for my family in my future, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. Just little. Steamed fish, fried rice, fried vegetable, chicken soup.
Do you know how to cook Indonesian food?
Yes, ma'am. Terong balado, capcay, sayur asem, ayam goreng.
Do you know go to market?
Yes, ma'am. I can buy rice, buy egg, buy vegetable, buy meat.
Can you bring children to school, go to school?
Yes, ma'am. Accompany children play in garden, accompany children study in home.
Do you know how to take care of baby?
Yes, I can, ma'am.
How to take care baby?
Help baby take shower, help baby change clothes, holding a baby, give baby milk.
Do you know how to take care elderly?
Yes, I can, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care of children?
Yes, I can, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.